Hi everyone, let me share this simple Nigerian stew recipe with you guys, how to fry Nigerian stew. This recipe is very easy and very straightforward. For the recipe, I'm just going to be using some onion, some green onion, some ginger, garlic, tomatoes, red bell peppers and long peppers. Full details of the ingredients will be in the description box below. Blend that up and transfer into a pot. Then you want to add in the rinse out as well because things are quite expensive right now. The trick here is not to allow this reduced completely. You want it to boil halfway through. For this recipe, I'm going to be using some frozen turkey. This is it. I'm just going to add in some chopped up onion to season. Then I'm going to add in some Benny seasoning. Just a teaspoon is fine. Then I'm going to add in some stock cubes. Just one is as well fine. Then I'm going to add in some curry powder, some thyme, and that's all. You can do well to use whatever seasoning you want to use. It is up to you. I'm just going to give this a gentle mix, then add in a bit of water so that it can steam properly without burning for the next 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. 12 minutes later, this is how it's looking. I'm just going to give this a gentle stir and add in enough water to cook the turkey to perfection. I want a lot of meat stock from this because I won't only be using the meat stock for this recipe. I'm going to be using it for some other recipes behind the scene. So I'm just going to try to extract enough turkey broth as much as possible. So just give the gentle mix, allow to cook for a further 10 to 15 minutes, and that's all for the turkey. For my turkey, I'm going to be frying it. So sorry, I lost the clip of when I added it into the oil. So sorry about that. You can choose to grill your turkey or just not fry it. Whatever you want to do, do you. I just chose to fry mine till it was golden brown, just like you can see. One tip many people do not know about making the perfect Nigerian stew is that you have to add in a little bit of red oil to your vegetable oil. Allow that heat up a bit, then you add in your pre-cooked pepper base, then you allow that to fry for some minutes. So sorry my gas is looking like this. I had a lot of recipes to film, and so unfortunate that this is the recipe where I was too lazy to clean the gas and I had to film this. So sorry about that. So this was about 30 to 40 minutes later and it's already looking dried. And mind you, during the process I was taking out some oil, decanting some oil, because I don't want this sauce to be too oily. So this is how it's looking like. At this point, I'm going to add in my turkey broth, not all. Remember I said I'll be using some for some other recipes. Add in the fried turkey. Then I'm going to add in some Benny seasoning. If you've not been using Benny for your stews, then I am so sorry, you are missing out on a lot. After about a minute or two, I'm going to add in my dry thyme, then my curry powder. That's basically it. You don't need to complicate Nigerian stew. It is just basically simple. Just that you have to add Benny to it to make it very sweet, to give you that buka aroma and buka taste. So that's how you make the perfect Nigerian stew, using either chicken, turkey, beef, whatever you want to use. That's how you make it. So guys, if you watch up to this point, then you want to do well to hit the subscribe button down below, like this video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.